Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Subaru Forester. It has the 2.0 liter turbo 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. It comes with 57,423 original miles. It is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors along with a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, the number that y'all are seeing down here, 92,415, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 57,423. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.